Hello everyone, it's Hanny with my Edith Holden, 12 Edith Holden notebooks, journals, whatever you want to call them. And I do a quick flip through, all 12, so you can see how they look from the outside and the inside. Well, this is January, the cover, the tag and an envelope, Edith Holden envelope with a pocket. And they all have 40 pages. And there's all ledger papers, tea-dyed, tea-stained papers, original old papers, plain papers. Like this, you see? So that's January. And there's a little blue ribbon fitting with the front. So that's January. February. The pocket with the tag, with some papers, the booklet tag, and an envelope, Edith Holden envelope. These are the pages. They are all similar, not all the same, but almost the same. So these are the 40 pages. Here is a little tuck spot, and that's the inside and the back. March. 2 horses. And there is the booklet tag with papers, a sheet of Edith Holden writing paper, pocket, and similar pages like the others. The edges are rough edges, mostly, not all. If I could tear them, I did. And this is the inside. And that's the back. April. The pocket, the booklet tag, an envelope, Edith Holden envelope, and the pages. The inside back, or the back inside. And this is the back. May. This is the tag. And a piece of paper. Edith Holden writing paper. a little pocket and the papers. And the back. June. The tag. An envelope. Little tuck spot pockets, whatever. The papers. I think I did one more in here because this is a double. So maybe this one has a few pages more. I'm not sure. And the back. Oh, how beautiful. July. The tag. And an envelope. Edith Holden envelope. The pocket. And here is a little tuck spot. And here is the bag. The inside bag and the back. August. The tag, the booklet tag, and a piece of paper. Edith Holden writing paper. And a little pocket tuck spot. And this is the bag. September. This is the tag. A pocket. I didn't have another September piece, so I did this one. I think it's a piece of this, you see. I cut it in half. And an envelope. A little tuck. Pocket. And the pages. ledger grit, lined, and plain papers. October. The tag. And the piece of Edith Holden writing paper. And here is the duck spot. The back. Oh, this is beautiful. Love it. November. The tag, the booklet tag, and a piece of writing paper. Edith Holden, upside down. The insides are all the same, almost all the same. Here the tuck spot is on the back. Hazelnuts and acorns. And the last one, December. Of December, how do we call that? This is the only journal with a pocket on the front, because there was no December page with a picture on it. It was only writing. I don't know if you can see that, but there's writing inside, so I glued this beautiful bird on the front as a big pocket. This is the only one, December, which has a pocket on the front. And this is the booklet tag and the piece of writing paper. And this is the pocket. And here the tuck spot. And again all those pages which you can write on, glue in, embellish, whatever you like. And the back. So these are the 12 Edith Holden notebooks I have monthly. It's nice. Well, you was born in May. Well, maybe it's nice to have the May one. I only have one of each month, of course. So, well, when it's sold, it's sold. These are the 12. And they are in my Etsy shop. I hope you like them. I enjoyed making them. I will do this that way. I enjoyed making them, and I hope you like them too. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.